The 105 years old Elephant Gate Bridge near Chennai Central is set to become history. Chennai Central is a very busy terminus station, and this COVID-19 lockout period provided a perfect opportunity and timing for Southern Railway to demolish this small bridge and build a new one. Starting 27th April this month, Southern Railway has begun demolition of this 105-year-old bridge. Located between Basin Bridge Junction and Chennai Central, the 105-year-old bridge acts as an entry and exit point for trains coming in and going out of the Chennai Central. That is, we are just crossing the Basin Bridge Junction towards Chennai Central. And I was telling you a bottleneck. Many a times you find frustrating delays at the entry point to Chennai Central. This sprawling facility on the left is the trip loco shed belonging to Chennai Central between Basin Bridge and Chennai Central. Such a sprawling facility, and that has to take locomotives to the platforms, and the parcel vans shunting yard and the Chennai Central rake yard and the train care center are located on the northern side of this bridge. We are actually now approaching the bridge pretty closely, and that's the train care center. And past the train care center, you can see the number of lines, and these lines have to carry the empty racks, the shunting locos, the trip loco shed locos in and out traffic, and also the mainline passenger services and suburban services. So there is only 8 lines under this bridge, and that's the bottleneck. And this is the suburban track section, 2 lines on the leftmost, and then the 2 main lines and the 4 lines that are used for the track, the rake movement between rake yard and the trip loco shed. So that is a bottleneck, and because of that, many a times incoming trains especially are held for frustrating delays. There in the distance you see the suburban terminus, which has 5 platforms, and the 2 branching lines towards the suburban terminus. And so that also comes under the bridge and then takes a right turn onto the suburban line. Now you will see Chennai Central in all its glory with the 12 active platforms, and that's a big curve that takes place. So this narrow bridge is only 50 meters wide and allowed only 8 lines to go onto it. This bridge is incidentally by Southern Railway called the Bridge 9R. Now on that you can see the Chennai Central, the accident relief vans, the parcel van department, everything is located on this side of the bridge. Mind you, the locos from trip loco shed has to use the same set of lines, the shunting locos has to use the same set of lines, and the empty racks in and out of Chennai Central has to use the same set of lines. Once again, to give you a perspective of the bridge, "50 meters wide and just 8 lines under it." Railways has made this proposal long time back, but the corporation was not ready. But the COVID-19 lockdown has certainly helped both railways and the corporation to shut down traffic on the bridge itself, and also railways have stopped the traffic under the bridge to enable demolishing of the bridge and rebuilding the bridge. Now we are passing through the bridge going away from Chennai Central. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines this side. The one that we are traveling is the 6th line, and that's the empty rack that's being shunted inside. So you can imagine the kind of traffic that is flowing under the bridge through the day, and that's a pretty narrow bridge. So the rebuilt bridge would be at least 3 to 4 times the width bigger, allow much more lines to be built under it, at least about 15 lines, so that the bottleneck in the Chennai Central would be relieved. Now see, an empty a light loco is proceeding to this link in the Chennai Central, and you can see all the lines now beautifully. And that's a train now, as I was selling, this Coromandel Express is now waiting to enter the platform. And that's the kind of bottleneck we are talking about at Chennai Central because of the number of lines that are available under the bridge. So the 105, that's a trip loco shed. The 105-year-old Elephant Gate Bridge is becoming history. The bottleneck at Chennai Central will be removed, and the trains will now reach the Chennai Central on time without passengers complaining and frustrating delays for both arrival and departure. COVID-19 has made this possible because the lockdown, there was no passenger trains. Otherwise it's just almost impossible to shut down Chennai Central and then do this work. Jai Hind, take care, stay safe during this lockout period, and see you soon again with more information on Indian Railways. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already done. Press the bell symbol for notification, and thank you once again for watching this video, and have a great day.